How good were your nights of sleep? The peaceful nights that passed without interruption. The mornings you woke up with boundless energy, ready to conquer the world. Do you remember that feeling? But then, an uninvited guest arrived. A guest no one wants to talk about. It crept into your life silently, turning peaceful nights into stressful battles. Every hour that passed meant another wake-up call, another trip to the bathroom, tired, powerless, and the fear just grew. This is not a video about sickness. This is a video about hope, about a hidden truth that modern medicine has forgotten, a natural secret right at your fingertips that can help you reclaim your peaceful nights, your comfort when sitting, and most importantly, your self-confidence as a man. And I won't keep you waiting. The secret is not an expensive pill, a dangerous surgery, or some strange supplement. It is a fruit you have seen, eaten, and even enjoyed your entire life. In my 20 years of practice, I have witnessed thousands of men struggling with an enlarged prostate, or BPH. I have seen them lose their joy in life, their connection with loved ones, and even themselves. But I have also seen them come back to life. Not through complex medical interventions, but by listening to what nature has to say. Today, I will reveal to you 5 simple, easy-to-find fruits that can help shrink your prostate, boost blood flow, and restore your vitality. Get ready, because the number 1 fruit will shock you. It's very likely you've been eating it for decades without ever knowing its true power. If you are ready to take back control of your life, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Because this is not just a video, it's the start of a new journey. Let's begin with the first fruit on our list. I know you might be thinking, citrus? What's so special about that? But forget everything you think you know about it. It's not just a simple source of vitamin C. It is the starting point of your healing journey. Let me tell you a story. Thousands of years ago, apothecaries in the Mediterranean used citrus to purify and strengthen the body. Roman soldiers drank lemon-infused water to maintain their health and vitality. Its reputation is not a myth. It is a truth that has been validated over time. Modern science has proven it. The secret lies in bioflavonoids, powerful antioxidants like hesperidin and naringin. They fight against oxidative stress in prostate tissue, which is the main cause of swelling and discomfort. And of course, we cannot forget vitamin C. Did you know that besides boosting your immune system, vitamin C also plays a vital role in reducing prostate inflammation? It supports collagen production in blood vessels, helping them stay flexible and reducing pressure on your prostate. A patient of mine had been living with nocturia for years. He had tried everything with no success. I simply advised him to do one thing. Drink a cup of warm lemon water every morning. After a few weeks, he came back to me, telling me that his nightly bathroom trips had significantly decreased. That wasn't magic, it was the power of nature. The compounds in citrus help downregulate pro-inflammatory markers in prostate cells, thereby reducing swelling. They also boost blood circulation by increasing the production of nitric oxide. This dual effect not only helps shrink the prostate, but also supports its overall function. And there's more. Citrus also helps improve your skin, supports digestion, and strengthens your immune system. By adding a little lemon water to your morning routine, you're not just healing your prostate, you're improving your entire body. Start with a cup of warm lemon water in the morning. Half a lemon mixed with a glass of warm water. It's a simple habit, but it can have a profound impact. And remember, after drinking it, rinse your mouth with plain water to protect your tooth enamel. This is not an instant solution. It's a comprehensive approach to a healthier, more vibrant life. You can start right now, right in your kitchen. Let's move on to the next fruit on our journey. This is a small fruit with a rough brown skin, but inside it holds an incredible power. Kiwi is not just a sweet snack. It's a secret weapon against the chronic issues that often plague older men. In my clinic, I've heard thousands of stories about discomfort, urinary urgency, and persistent inflammation. Many people turn to medication, but the relief was only temporary because they never truly addressed the root cause: chronic, low-grade inflammation. This humble fruit is packed with nutrients that directly target inflammation. It's been called a rediscovered hero because of its incredible anti-inflammatory properties. Kiwi contains more vitamin C than an orange, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in prostate tissue. But the power of kiwi doesn't stop there. It also provides a generous amount of vitamin E, potassium, and polyphenol, all of which contribute to reducing inflammation and supporting overall health. In particular, the actinitin enzyme in kiwi plays a crucial role in improving digestion and reducing gut-derived toxins, which can trigger or worsen systemic inflammation. Kiwi isn't just a friend to your prostate, it's a gift to your entire body. It contains serotonin precursors that help improve sleep quality. The high potassium content in kiwi is excellent for cardiovascular health and blood pressure regulation. Furthermore, its unique compounds are beneficial for respiratory health, helping you fight allergies and keep your lungs in top shape. Just add 1 kiwi to your breakfast every day. It's a simple action, but the benefits are immense. Now let's move on to the next fruit. A small sweet fruit with a vibrant red color. Yet its power in protecting the prostate is something few people would guess. When thinking of fruits that support prostate health, cherries might not be the first thing that comes to mind, but they should be. It's truly amazing how something as simple as a cherry can provide extraordinary relief, especially for men struggling with prostate issues and urinary discomfort. The secret lies in anthocyanins, the powerful pigments that give cherries their deep red color. These compounds have proven anti-inflammatory properties, helping to block the inflammatory enzymes in the prostate tissue. But what makes cherries so special is how they work. They directly target the COX-2 pathway, an enzyme directly involved in inflammation. By reducing COX-2 activity, cherries not only decrease swelling, but also improve urinary flow. Let me tell you another story. One of my patients in his 60s was waking up at least 4 times every night to use the bathroom. The lack of sleep and fatigue were wearing him down. I advised him to drink a small glass of tart cherry juice every morning. Within just a few weeks, his nightly bathroom trips dropped from 4 to just 1 or 2. It was a small change, but it brought back a joy and optimism that I hadn't seen in him for years. Besides improving sleep, the anthocyanins in cherries also play a crucial role in improving vascular health. They help your blood vessels stay more flexible, which is essential for healthy erections and overall vitality. Cherries also have a gentle diuretic effect, helping your body flush out toxins without causing dehydration. To start, you can add fresh or frozen cherries to your morning lemon water, or simply drink a small glass of tart cherry juice. It's not just simple and refreshing, but incredibly effective. We've been on an incredible journey of discovery, from citrus to kiwi and cherries, and now we'll arrive at the last 2 fruits, true warriors in the fight to protect the prostate. Berries are antioxidant warriors. They act like a strong fortress, protecting your prostate from damage caused by inflammation and oxidative stress. As we age, maintaining prostate health is not just about shrinking it, but about nourishing your entire system so it remains resilient, strong, and capable of fighting off threats. Blueberries contain anthocyanins that help boost nitric oxide production, a crucial compound for improving blood flow to your pelvic region. Better circulation means better prostate and urinary function. Strawberries contain ellagic acid, a compound known for its ability to regulate cell growth, which can potentially reduce the risk of prostate cancer-related issues. Raspberries, with their high concentration of ketones, are highly effective at reducing inflammation, making them ideal for anyone dealing with swelling or discomfort in the pelvic area. Blackberries, often overlooked, contain tannins that help strengthen connective tissue, reducing pelvic floor tension, a common problem for older men. One of my patients, a 72-year-old veteran, came to me suffering from fatigue, urinary urgency, and frequent bathroom trips. I suggested he add a mix of berries to his morning routine. In just 2 weeks, he noticed an incredible change. His urinary urgency decreased, and his mind became clearer. He described the experience as rebooting his body. Berries do more than just help the prostate. They contain polyphenol compounds that help regulate blood pressure, and neuroprotective compounds that help improve brain function. To get started, simply add a handful of fresh or frozen berries to your morning lemon water. A small change that brings life-changing results. And now the moment we've been waiting for has arrived. The number 1 fruit. The fruit that you've likely been eating for decades without ever knowing its secret power. The fruit that can help you reclaim your good night's sleep and your self-confidence. There is a special feeling you get when you bite into a cold slice of watermelon on a hot summer day. Sweet, juicy, refreshing. But today, watermelon is not just a snack. It is a powerful health tool. The secret lies in lycopene. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant, and it is what gives watermelon its vibrant red color. Research has shown that lycopene can have a significant impact on prostate health. It helps reduce inflammation and supports healthy urinary flow. Unlike other substances, lycopene targets the root cause of prostate discomfort, helping you escape symptoms like frequent urination. What's special is that lycopene works best when paired with a small amount of healthy fat. You can eat watermelon with a few nuts or add a little olive oil to help your body absorb lycopene more effectively. And don't forget, watermelon is over 90% water, which helps you stay hydrated without putting a strain on your kidneys. A serving of watermelon every day, after your morning lemon water, could be the key to restoring your vitality. Gentlemen, we have reached the end of our journey. Citrus helps control inflammation. Kiwi brings essential vitamin C and fiber. Cherries provide anthocyanins to reduce inflammation. Berries support prostate and brain health. Watermelon, with its unique hydration and lycopene, helps reduce urinary strain. Together, these 5 fruits create a synergy much greater than their individual parts. They will help you rebuild your foundation, strength, confidence, vitality. It will all rise from within. Remember this, your body has never given up on you. Those nightly wake-up calls, the discomfort when sitting, the silent worry, those aren't signs of defeat. They are whispers craving support. What you've learned today is a natural armor against those struggles. No prescriptions. No complex regimens. Just natural foods doing what nature designed them to do. I have witnessed this transformation firsthand. Men in their 70s getting a good night's sleep again. Veterans hiking with their grandsons. Husbands finding closeness with their wives again. Why? Because they chose one fruit, just one, and let consistency work its magic. Start small. A little watermelon in your morning smoothie. A handful of berries after lunch. Let the results speak for themselves. Feel the ripple effect. Deeper sleep, more stable energy. Standing taller in the moments that matter most. Healing rarely starts in a pharmacy. Sometimes it begins right at your kitchen counter with a simple choice to believe that you are worth nurturing. You have the science. You have heard the stories. Now take that first bite toward a stronger new chapter of your life. If this video has resonated with you, I invite you to hit the like button, share it with a friend who needs hope, and drop a comment below. I read every single one. Your journey could light the path for someone else. Until next time, remember, your vitality is waiting. Meet it halfway.